Hello, hello everyone. My name is Johan, and yeah, I'm just starting a new series here with allotment gardening. So I did a couple series in the past. I did one allotment gardening, starting a garden from scratch, and that was in London in Cole Harbour allotments. That's over in Eltham, and then I had to move up to Doncaster. Yeah, so I had to give up that allotment, and then I did a couple videos, a series on backyard gardening, and what do you know? I've got me a new allotment here in Edlington, and yeah, I just want to show you around. So we got this allotment in November, around November I think it was. So just the start of winter. Um, yeah, so usually when you have get an allotment, you have a few months to get it in order. Yeah, so we got it, and there was some potatoes and some onions, for harvesting. And yeah, so let me show you around. So what we did, we planted some garlic. We had just about time to put some garlic in the ground. So we did 2 beds of garlic, because the garlic needs the frost. Or if it's not cold enough, then you just get like one garlic instead of the individual cloves. So hopefully, we get some. Had some frost, and we get some nice garlic cloves. Because last year I think I had lots of big clump because we didn't have a very cold winter. Anyway, let me show you around. So here, what we also inherited is strawberry. The bed might needs, yeah, there we need to clear out some of the stones and get some manure in there. And, yeah, here we started digging. Come this way. So we started digging, so we made 2 beds here for the garlic, and we're going to put a couple more beds here. I'm not sure what we're going to plant. As I said, we have lots of seeds and to sow, and we also have some potatoes and some onions to put back in. So here it's all dug up. Yeah, so we're going to get the whole garden all ready for cultivating. We also inherited might be a pear or an apple, but we'll know soon enough. As you can see, it's a really nice size of garden compared to what I had before in London. You had a very small allotment, but here, it's a reasonable size. I'm really excited to get it all looking nice and beautiful. So yeah, the plan is to do some seasoning. As I said, some potatoes, some onions. We already got the garlic in there. Some salads, cabbage, and maybe some carrots as well. I've sorry, always like planting flowers as well, so they expect to see some flowers. And so when you get an allotment, sometimes you also inherit lots of rubbish. So when we got the allotment, there were, you could have had a fire. So the plan was to have a fire, obviously a controlled fire, and burn some of the stuff. But since then, the council have banned fires on the allotment. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. What we also inherited is a cage. I've not done chickens or anything like that before. But, maybe I'll do some chickens. yeah, so that's it. That's our brand new allotment, and I'm really excited, really looking forward to, the project and what we can do with it. There's also lots of rubbish in the shed that needs clearing out, but yeah, it's always good to, start from almost day one to see what it looks like when, now, and in a couple of months' time, we'll see how it looks. Well, I actually have about 2 months remaining to have like 70% of the garden, cultivated or ready to be cultivated. So we'll see how it goes. Thank you for joining, thank you for viewing, and catch you in the next episode. God bless you and stay on the safe side.